In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block Facebook and Instagram on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can search for the extension you need without any issues. Next, go to Google and search for Chrome Web Store. Once you see the Chrome Web Store in the search results, open it. Inside the store, use the search bar to look for Block Site. When you find Block Site, click on it to open the extension page, then click Add to Chrome. Chrome may show a confirmation window asking if you want to add the extension. If that appears, go ahead and confirm it so the extension can be installed. Once Block Site is installed, the next part is to visit the websites you want to block. First, open Instagram in Chrome. After the page loads, look to the upper right corner of the browser and click the extensions icon. From the list of installed extensions, select Block Site. When the extension menu opens, click the option that says Block this page. This tells the extension to block Instagram in your browser. After that, repeat the same process for Facebook. Open Facebook in Chrome, click the extensions icon in the upper right corner, choose Block Site, and then click Block this page. That will add Facebook to your blocked sites as well. If the extension icon is not immediately visible, checking under the Extensions menu is the right place to find it. Once both websites have been added, Chrome will prevent easy access to Facebook and Instagram through the browser using the extension settings you selected. This gives you a quick and practical way to cut down on distractions. That covers everything you need to know.